Okay, guys, welcome in. Obviously, I am not at school. I am going to be out the 11th, which is today, Monday the 11th through the 19th. Uh, sorry, guys. I do not have COVID, but I do have the flu. Um, So even though I tested negative for COVID, the district is still making me stay out of school until the 19th. Unfortunately, I can't go back as soon as I am over the flu. Also, for those of you that know, my daughter did come in contact with a COVID positive person. She has also tested negative, but the district will not allow her to go back until the 19th either. So we are both out January 11th through the 19th. So don't freak out, even though I saw some of y'all on that Thursday before I left. Um, y'all are okay. I did not have COVID. Um, Obviously, we were following safety protocols anyways with mask wearing and everything, so no need to worry. I am okay. Um, I am almost over I am almost over the flu. As you heard, I just have a little bit of a cough left. Um, that's sorry, guys. That's about it. Um, I sound worse than I actually am, so no need to worry. But while I am out, there will be a sub in my classroom, so please report to my classroom for class unless told otherwise. Everyone that is in person and virtual, so all of my students will log into the Zoom link that Mr. Carter will post in Google Classroom. He's going to be teaching you through Zoom and posting the lessons as well. Um, everyone that is in person and virtual needs to fill out the attendance question. Um, that is how we are going to make sure that we can do attendance properly. So again, everyone, both in person and virtual, you need to fill out the attendance question. Um, again, make sure that everybody, even if you are in person, you are logging into the Zoom link that Mr. Carter will post in Google Classroom. It will not be my Zoom link. He is going to post another one that you're going to have to follow. Um, this is super important. I may not have access to my work email or Google Classroom, which means that I can basically have no contact with you. Um, the last day I have contact is Monday. So please make sure you email Mr. Carter if you have any math questions. If you have any like class or team questions, then you can go to anybody that's on our team. Miss Arguello, Miss San Martin, Miss Lawrence, or Miss Sosa to ask them a question. But if it's a math question about a lesson, you can ask Mr. Carter, and this is Mr. Carter's email. I'm going to post this so that way, this actual presentation, so that way you can actually see it. And you can click on his email if you need to send him an email or if you have questions. Um, I am already so sad that I am not going to get to be there for the next week and a few days. I already miss y'all so much, and I can't wait to be back. Make sure you stay safe, wash your hands, wear your mask, um, and I will see y'all soon. Okay. If you have any questions, Monday is unfortunately the last day to ask me. But Mr. Carter and the rest of the sixth grade team will be there if you have questions. I will see y'all soon. Bye.